विसावा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार पळोवया फुडल्यो खबरो। ब्रेस्तारा बोगमाळेची नवी सरपंच म्हूण लॉरेना कुन्ना हिची बिनविरोध निवड जाली। जी कामां पेंडींग आसात ती आपूण चालीक लायतली। नवे पंचायत घर, फुटबॉल ग्राउंड, भितरल्या रस्त्यांचें डांबरीकरण आनी उरिल्लीं उदरगतीची कामां चालीक लायतली म्हण ह्या वेळा नव्यान निवडून आयिल्ली सरपंच उलयल्या। RDX खातीर बोगमाळेच्यान प्रसाद नायक।
Priority is to give my best to the village. Okay, first of all, I would thank all my members, my staff, and Sir Movin Gurdino to be with me by my side. And because of him, I'm here today. You can say that. And I'll be with him, with all my village people. Although I'm just for a short term, but I want all my pending development work to be completed. Like example, I have we have the Bogmalo to be a model village. We want our panchayat ghar, a new panchayat ghar to be constructed. Bogmalo ground, football ground. Then I've got all the Bogmalo internal as well as the main hot mixing of the road to be done. Then water, there's a problem with the water because most of the people are facing problem with the water, and street lights also is a major problem. This is a basic necessity which I want sir to look into and get it done. All this work I have faith in sir that he will do during my short term.
सुरुवात जाता तो एकदम बरो सुरुवात जालो आसा। एक जोर कशी दाखयता उदरगतीची आनी म्हाका दिसता बोगमाळकारान आसून दी, चिखलेकारान आसून दी, दाबोलकारान आसून दी, आख्खे दाबोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कशें उदरगत आसचे उदाहरण सगळे सदांच दाबोले पळयता। आज बोगमाळच घे, तेगेल हाफ टर्म भजिनागे जावन तेणे सारकें स्मूथ ट्रान्झिशन जें आमी म्हणटा उदरगती खातीर लोकां खातीर आमी सगळे एक आसा। आज आमचे बाय लोरेन येयला, हे कितें दाखयता? एक दाखयता की काम करपा खातीर आमी सगळे जाण एक आसा।